Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the aspect ratio in CapCut. If you're new to CapCut and you don't know how to change the aspect ratio, I'll show you how to do it. So without any further ado, let's get into it. At first, open the CapCut app and create a new project or edit your existing project. Here, I'll create a new project. Now, choose the video or photo that you want to edit. So I'll choose this video. Click on add to add it to your timeline. Now here, to change this to a different aspect ratio, simply unselect the video, that is click outside, and here on the bottom menu, scroll to the right and you'll see aspect ratio option. Click on it and now you can choose different kind of aspect ratio from here. For example, if I click on 16:19, as you can see, the aspect ratio has been changed. And also you can switch different aspect ratio according to your preference. For now, I'll stick to 16:9. Now click here to save changes. And just like that, we have changed the aspect ratio in CapCut. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this.